I've been towing my camper for years now without ever using a tire pressure monitoring system. No alerts, no warnings, just pure luck. And I know it. But I also know that luck runs out. And now I'm heading 300 miles to the Upper Peninsula of Michigan all by myself. So when I learned that I could fix this risky situation for just 40 bucks, I knew I had zero excuses left. Because here's the thing, a blowout at highway speeds can flip your camper. And here's the scariest part. You're never gonna feel a slow leak from inside your tow vehicle. And by the time you already know that something's wrong, it's already too late to do something about it. And that's exactly why I'm done towing my camper without a tire monitoring system. The first step to setting this up is to make sure that your tires are properly inflated. So let's do that first, and then I'll show you what I bought. I'm using the DeWalt tire inflator, and I've got it connected to my tire. I love using this thing, and I've mentioned it several times on my channel. Let me show you why I love it so much. So you can see right here, the display is telling me that my current tire pressure is 56.9 PSI. And according to my tire right here, it says my max PSI should be 65. I guess I should have been checking this more often. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do, and this is what I really love about this, I can just turn this dial here to 65. Oops, 65. There we go, 65. And then when I turn it on, it's gonna automatically inflate the tire to 65. And then once it hits 65, it's gonna stop. Here we go.
About 2 minutes later.
And then that's all there is to it. Now I know my tire is at the correct tire pressure. This is the Tymate TM7 tire pressure monitoring system, and it works on any tires. And this is what comes in the box. Instructions. This is the tire monitoring system right here, and this is specifically why I bought this one. I'll show you why in just a second. And these are the sensors. This kit comes with 4 sensors. I only need 2 of them because I only have 2 tires, but if you've got 4 tires, this kit's gonna work for you as well. I don't know what this is for, but we're gonna find out, and some other things that we're gonna need to get all set up. One of the main reasons I chose this PMS system is because there's no wiring and there's no installation, so no more excuses. So this is the monitor right here, and what we need to do is we need to plug it into the cigarette lighter, just like that. I loved the idea of having the monitor right here instead of up on my dashboard. A lot of the tire pressure monitoring systems that I was checking out, you have to place a monitor right on your dashboard. And I didn't want a monitor on my dashboard. In fact, in a previous video, I shared the backup camera that I love and I use all the time. But I actually keep that monitor in my glove compartment, and then I just pull it out whenever I need it. I just don't like clutter up on my dashboard. Okay, now let's install the sensors. I want to show you this. It comes with these nuts. This is what they call an anti-theft hex nut. I don't know. It says that it's optional to install this, but I'm going to install it since it's called an anti-theft hex nut. I don't want anybody stealing my sensors. So if you're going to be opting to use the anti-theft hex nuts like me, you just screw them into the tire valve. Then next you're going to screw in the sensor, and then you're going to tighten it. Oh my gosh, now we're all set. Let's go check out the monitor. Woohoo! It's showing one tire has a PSI of 65 and the other is 66, which makes sense because when I was inflating it, it said it did inflate to 65.6. And of course, nothing's showing on the bottom 2 sensors because, well, I'm only using 2 of the sensors. Oh, I just love it when things work like they're supposed to. It's also so important that we also monitor our tire temperatures because when they get hot, that's when blowouts happen really fast. And this tire monitor monitors temperatures too. Seriously, this was so easy to install. And now I finally have real-time tire pressure and tire temperature monitoring going on at all times. Because this thing is going to alert me when my tire pressure starts to drop or the temperatures get too high. Yep, this is exactly what we all need. Will you do me a favor? If this video made you think twice about hitting the road without a tire monitoring pressure system, will you please hit that like button? This is going to help other RV campers find this video before they need it. And be sure to subscribe so you can follow me all the way to the UP. I can't wait to hang out with you again next Thursday.